Come on, come on.
Why did you drag me all the way to the Sprouts in Burbank?
It's okay, just wait right there. I'll be right back. Got him. Look, I got him.
Are you kidding me? They sell these everywhere.
Not in America.
What are you talking about?
I booked us tickets to Brussels. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. Today we're making a Brussels sprout veggie side because I've decided to reshape my life and go vegan. I realized that a life of murder, desecration, and prostitution of animals is wrong morally and spiritually. Murderer. By the way, I'm vegan now. Before we start, I just want to take a moment and thank the beautiful earth for letting me reap the sweet nectar of her loins. To pay my respects, I'm marking the soil with a plant-based, eco-friendly, BPA-free, biodegradable toothbrush. Thank you, Mother Earth. I will forever be in your debt. I'm sorry, it just makes me so emotional. First, cut the base of your sprouts. I'm using a special kind of organic hemp floss. I like it because it works well in the body crevice. Mouth teeth. Then slice it in half like so. Okay, I'm sorry. That was really violent. So I'm just gonna fast forward through cutting the rest. Next, grab all these bases you cut off because we don't waste anything here. Murderer. What we're gonna do is bury this back into the beautiful Mother Earth so she can bloom and feed us once again. Bring a pot of water to a boil. While waiting, I thought I would answer the question I get asked the most since turning vegan, and that is, how do I get my protein? Well, turns out you can turn anything into vegan protein as long as you use the right mixtures. Even an inanimate object like these sunglasses I got at a bachelorette party. We've been friends since I was 12. It's perfectly normal for a man to be a maid of honor. First, start by adding some fresh squeezed orange, then some organic apple cider vinegar, liquid dish soap, a spritz of Febreze,
Billy Mays here, kaboom!
Carpet cleaner, GMO-free radioactive isotopes, and some artisanal spring water. Let it sit for a few minutes until it dissolves. There, now shake it up, and you have vegan protein. Once your water is boiled, give it a mix with a certified organic spoon. I know this is the right kind because on the back it says certified organic spoon. Murderer. After about 2 minutes, drain out the sprouts into a colander. Make sure you use eco-friendly plastics. I specifically went to Target and told the worker I'm going green, so he grabbed these bowls for me. Then I let him know I'm vegan now. Don't throw out your Brussels sprout water. It's full of natural skin healing minerals and oils. We're gonna finish these sprouts off by sauteing them in a non-stick pan. Add some olive oil, then cook your sprouts face side down for about 2 minutes or until lightly brown. Murderer. Add a pinch of salt, ground black pepper, some red chili flakes, and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Give it a quick toss and cook for another minute. Don't overcook your garlic. We're vegans now, so we're better than everyone else. And there you have it, fresh Brussels sprouts. I must say, guys, these are pretty spectacular. So fresh and earthy. This is a whole meal right here. I'm stuffed. I definitely don't need any other food for at least 20 minutes. Guys, one last thing I want to do before ending the video. If you try cooking this, you may notice a lot of these extra leaves that fall off. I turned these into a Brussels sprout necklace and went on a quest to promote change and help others discover their inner vegan spirit.
So, what does it mean to be vegan? Being vegan, it's not really a diet, it's more of a lifestyle. It's also a diet.
I like to call myself a vegan purist, actually. Pretty much since I got out of the womb, you know? I just rejected my mom's breast milk and I went on a hunger strike until my teeth came out.
So, why do you like killing animals?
Wait, what?
How do you feel?
Good. Actually, really good. I mean, you know, my mood's better. I mean, I'm sleeping better. I do get hungry a lot.
Yo, I thought we were filming my eHarmony video.
We are. Oh, we'll do it right now. Here, sit down. Just sit down. So, your day to day, how do you go through it without a conscience? How do you get your protein?
Oh, peas, bro. Peas and nuts. Like, the legumes have tons of protein. You know what's nice? Opening the fridge and seeing a rainbow and not a
If you want vegan protein, I
Yeah.
got a shake for you.
I would love one. Thank you.
What do you think of meat eaters?
Let's just say Satan, serial killers, Supreme Court judges,
Jeffrey Dahmer, John Wayne Gacy.
cannibals, terrorists, believers, and then meat eaters.
You want a Slim Jim?
Yeah.
No! You're a murderer!
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at Sissa. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does It Cooking. As usual, the ingredients and recipe are in the link description below. Guys, this is Matt.
Hey guys.
Do you want to play a game?
Yeah?
The game is called, you stand over there, and I'm gonna hit you with this racquetball as hard as I can.
Yeah, this doesn't sound like a game I want to play.
No, let's play.
No,
We're gonna play.
he was good with dogs. But still, it's...
Oh no! You taste it? Spit it out. Spit it out.